Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by pairing and opening the app so you can write immediately. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the pencil showed as connected. This is why pairing first saves time. Once paired, open Notes or your preferred app and create a new note, then tap the pen tool. Adjust thickness and color now so your strokes look correct from the first mark. This avoids redoing work. Press lightly to test pressure sensitivity, and you're ready to start taking fast, precise notes. Now you'll focus on capturing content and organizing it as you go. Use pressure and tilt to vary strokes for emphasis, because visual differences help recall. Write headings larger and switch to a thinner pen for bullets or annotations. This creates hierarchy. When you need to move a sentence, use the lasso or selection tool to drag content between sections or pages. Once done with a page, add a timestamp or title so you can find it later. And consider finish by cleaning and exporting your notes for future use. Erase stray marks and merge strokes if your app supports it, because tidy notes are easier to review. Use undo and redo gestures for quick corrections, and then export the page as a PDF or image when you need to share or archive. Make sure syncing to iCloud or your chosen service is enabled so notes are backed up. If you see lag or skipped strokes, reconnect or replace the tip. That one troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.